are going to have 15 pounds delivered on June 13th, 2018, period. Once we have it delivered, we will enter in our information at www.poundsontop.com. If that doesn't work, we will send an email to support@poundsontop.com. Period. Correct June 13th, 2018. Choose 4. Select support@poundsontop.com. Choose 1. Correct 15 pounds. Choose 2. Choose 1. Now what you've seen is a demonstration of smart formatting. Now you saw it in the correction box as well as a smart formatting box. And the smart formatting box will be made available to you whenever you are correcting something inside of Dragon's auto correction feature. When you are changing the format, Dragon will allow you to make that change permanently inside of the engine. And so you want to take advantage of that whenever you can by making format changes in addition to spelling and grammatical changes. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.